university students, thank you for tuning into my video today. Today, like always, we have a very special video. Today we are going to be making a skirt from these jeans. Now, you don't have to go out and buy some new jeans, or maybe you can go thrift some new jeans, but in order to get a lot of fabric, I went into my dad's closet and I thrifted them from him. Hey, a win is a win. So today we're going to be cutting up these pants and making them into yarn, and hopefully this is enough fabric to turn into a skirt. Let's get started. What you're gonna want to do is cut your jeans off right under the pocket, and then you're going to want to cut off that bottom trim of your pants leg, and then you are just going to cut in slits, leaving on the pants, so leaving the pants connected on one side. Then you are going to begin to cut in a kind of just around, making that circle open. It will kind of be like on a diagonal, so let me show you over here. You're just going to cut in between. Then you're going to wind up your jeans as if they were a real yarn ball. Then I just start my skirt by making a chain. Now I will be honest, you might want to work with a bigger needle than I did. I worked with a 10mm hook, but there's also 15 and so on. I should have done it with a 15, but I worked I did a chain stitch that will fit around my waist, and then I just continued to do that all the way around because the skirt itself was bulky, so I didn't need to do any increases, so I just chained them together, and here's your finished product. That is it for this tutorial. I will have to say that I used two jeans, so I used a pair of my jeans and I used a pair of my dad's jeans, so I would say that you probably need about 4 pair of jeans because I was only 2. You get 2 legs on each pants and you cut it up to the size that you desire. But if I'm being honest with you, my backside is out. It's a cute skirt, it's a cute idea, but if you are, you know, bigger in the butt area, you're gonna need more fabric. So I'd say about 4 to 5 pairs of jeans. It doesn't matter what color you're using. It probably would make sense for them to all be around the same color. I would say that what I have on, the color is black. They were close in color, but when you look at the bottom, tell that it's 2 different jeans because this one is more of an ashy black and then this one is more of a solid black. That's the only thing I have to say for this video. But thank you for tuning into my video today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave some comments down below about anything that you would like me to try out pertaining to yarn, crochet, my knitting machine. And don't forget to check out all of my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, and all of the other things where you can contact me. And also don't forget to check out my website because there are new things coming out soon. Bye.